Hello, it's Melissa from Swindon Libraries and Information Service, back with the second of our spooky specials for Halloween. So we're doing a few things to go in window displays because Halloween's a bit different this year. And the second idea I've got for you is cotton bud skeletons. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a little chap like this. This is a human skeleton, but of course you could make a dinosaur or anything you fancied to go up in your window. Okay, so I've just got some cotton buds from a discount cosmeticsy store, and you're going to need the runny sort of school glue for this one. Okay, so put a good dollop into the bottom of a tub. Okay, and then I've got a sheet of black paper or card. If you haven't got any black paper or card, it could be a different backing. You could paint it black if you've got paint, or you could just use something where you've got a colour contrast. Okay, so if I just dip my woolly end, okay, of the cotton bud. Okay, you may well find somebody at home has got some of these in the bathroom cabinet. Okay, and what I'm going to try and do is use the round woolly ends to make the joints of the bones. Okay, so there I've got a big central. Cut this one off. That's that one. Okay, and I'm gonna start going down there to make my legs. Save the little bits because you may well need those later on. Okay, it's going to be a bit of a cut and a bend. There we are. Okay, that's it. So I've got the tops of the legs here. And then I reckon the next bit down from the knee to the ankle is going to be a bit shorter, so I'm going to cut that a bit shorter. There we go. That's it. Okay. Oops. Then of course I need some feet, and I could use some of these bits that I've cut off. Okay. Again, just popping the woolly end in the glue will help it stick to the paper. Okay, and so on. Now, because things are a little bit different this year, it also occurred to me that where we're using these white cotton buds, they didn't have to be white. If you wanted to do something a bit more colourful, then you could have a go at just dunking your cotton buds into something like some food colouring or some paint, and do the same thing really, but just with more colourful cotton buds. There you go. Okay, so this little guy then, I'm going to give him red shoulders. The glue dries clear, so it won't matter. I don't know where that one went. Okay, so as you can see, they do tend to fly away from the scissors. There we go. So that would be this little guy's shoulders. Okay, so keep going like that. Could be a human, could be a different type of skeleton, and then perhaps just a bit of cardboard packaging, and that will make you a skull. Could be that you use googly eyes for the eyes, or buttons depending on what you've got, a hanging loop on the back, and maybe a bit of glitter on it, because I do think most things are better with a bit of glitter. Okay, So pop that in your window and it's a really nice little craft that you could do. Okay, see you again soon.